They say, when you feel good, you do good. What better way to feel good than with a bowl of pure, cozy comfort? Today, on Goodness in a Bowl, I am bringing you something truly warm, soothing, and comforting: carrot sweet potato soup. Let's get cooking. Start by heating 2 tablespoons of ghee in a pot over a medium heat. Once that's warm, add in a half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of coriander seeds, 2 green chillies, and about half an inch of freshly grated ginger. Give it a good mix just for a few seconds until the seed starts to crackle. That's when you know the magic is starting. Now add in a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then it's time for our hero ingredients. That's 2 cups of chopped carrot and 1 cup of chopped sweet potato along with some water. Give this all a good stir. Let those beautiful flavors come together. The natural sweetness of the veggies, the zing from the ginger, and those spices all just blend amazing. Add salt to taste. Cover the pot and let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Our veggies are nicely cooked and everything looks soft and tender, just the way we want it. And while that's cooling, let's quickly make our tempering. In a small pan, heat a teaspoon of ghee. Add 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves, 1 sliced onion. Saute it until translucent. Now this step is totally optional, especially if you want to skip onion and garlic to your meals. And then toss in a pinch of asafoetida. And add this tempering to your carrot and sweet potato mixture and give it all a good mix. And to bring it all together, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of coconut milk for the rich and creamy finish. Now blend in everything to a smooth and velvety soup. Our soup mixture is ready. Pour it back into the same pot and adjust the consistency with a little water if needed. Well, I like it thick and hearty, so I'm not adding in a lot of water here. Now let this simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Season this with some crushed black pepper. And that's it. Your creamy, comforting carrot sweet potato soup is now ready to serve. So next time when you're curled up with a book and craving for something warm and cozy, grab a bowl of this nourishing goodness. Enjoy every sip. You will love it. And don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. Bye-bye.